Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our gorgeous greens tart, I've just got 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of almond meal or almond flour that I've just spread on the bottom of my springform pan, and I've lined that with baking paper because eggs do like to stick and I hate when that happens. This is the easiest tart crust pastry crust you'll ever make. Okay, then I've got 4 eggs, so I'm just going to give them a quick whisk with a little bit of salt, but I'm remembering that I've got quite salty cheese to go in with this. And then this is a bag of frozen kale that I've just defrosted and then squeezed dry because you don't want it to, it's quite wet, so it will make your tart soggy if you don't dry it out. So just mix the eggs and the kale together, and then you could use frozen spinach if you want, or you could use cooked greens as well. You just need about 150 grams, so it's that 5 or 6 ounces of chopped cooked greens if you prefer. So we're just spreading that out over the almond meal, just gently, and then we're going to top with our cheese. So I'm using a Stilton, but you could use any blue cheese you like, or Parmesan, whatever you feel like. Mixture of cheeses, it's up to you. And that's like 200 grams, which is 7 ounces, which is a lot of cheese, but my blue cheese comes in packs of 200 grams. That's what I'm using. But you could always use less if you don't want it. This does make it pretty rich and cheesy. And then I'm just going to sprinkle over my sage leaves. So this is totally optional, but it does make it look really pretty. So it's just about a bunch of sage. And finally just give it a little drizzle of oil just to help the sage leaves crisp up. And then we're going to pop it in the oven, so 200C, 400F for about 20 minutes. Great, so our beautiful tart has had 20 minutes in the oven, and you can see it's all puffed up and the cheese is melted and it looks amazing. So that looks good. It is a bit hard to tell if the eggs are cooked because you've got all that melted cheese on the top, but once it's puffed up like that, you can be pretty sure that it's good. So then I'm just going to let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes to cool down, or you can leave it to room temperature before it's ready to eat. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.